Good morning once again from Munnar. So check out the beautiful drone shots as we head to Ooty today. Stay tuned for our journey to Ooty. Check out the beautiful Munnar in my background. It's always mesmerizing here up in the mountains in Kerala. We're touring on our MG ZSEV as we explore southern India. This is the Southern Escapade and we are charging here at Metopalium, just on the foothills of Udagamandam, Ooty, and on the way to Munnar and from there to Ooty. We were down to 30% on the car. Now we have topped it up to 100% to climb the mountains. Stay tuned as we do Southern Escapade. So currently it's almost full the MG. After hard days of driving through some treacherous roads leading up to the hills, we managed to reach Ooty. It's around 4 PM late afternoon. So we finally reached Ooty, late afternoon here at Ooty, and the chilled weather we have. So this is Elk Hill, on top of Elk Hill next to Sterling. This is our house, and we got the MG charge point here. There she's charging. So that's about it for this vlog. I'm going to wrap this up. Hope to see you around tomorrow as we explore Ooty tomorrow. If you have any comments, do write out in my comment section below. Also give me a thumbs up if you do like this video. Share. Also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Until the next time, it's sayonara, adios, and goodbye. Thank you for watching. Hello. This is the house. And that's Ooty.